Hi folks, I was having a look through my cupboard and I found some out of date items. This cake mix I think I bought in Aldi or Lidl a while back, out of date in 2023, and I have 3 pears. Shopping comes tomorrow. These are last week's and they're not very good. So I'm going to see if I can combine them to make some kind of chocolate cakes with pears, but I'm going to bake it in the air fryer. I'm going to have 2 options. I'm going to do it as like a pudding, and then I'm going to try them as muffins, see which one turns out right. But first thing, I'm going to preheat my air fryer because it's baking. I want it to be preheated, and I'm going to check the cake mix to make sure there's no beasts in it. It just needs oil, milk and eggs. This will be the cake mix. This will be the glaze. So let's see if it's not got any flour eating beasts living in it. Looks fine. Okay, this recipe calls for 175 ml of oil and 125 of milk. This is very similar to my muffin recipe, which I can link in this one, that I've used in the air fryer previously. Now for 4 eggs. Never crack your eggs directly into your mix. Because there you see a little bit of shell. You can catch it out easier than trying to hook it out of the cake mix. Okay. So as you can see, these pears are almost past it. There's a lot of wastage on them. So this one I'm going to do more like a pudding. So we'll put the pears on the bottom. Okay, so the mix looks okay. I'll put them in the muffins first, see how it got on. I think I maybe bought this cake mix to be a birthday cake at some point, but then never made it as a birthday cake, and it's just sat at the back of the cupboard. Don't know if this is going to work because the pears are so moist. Let's try it. Right, put the first one in. This will be the tricky bit because I've preheated it, so I'll probably burn my fingers. I was a baker years ago, so used to burns. Okay, that's the pear cake one in. See if I can get these muffins in without giving myself too many burns. We're going to fit 6 in. I think so. We'll have to do about 2. Okay. So I preheated it. Air fryer does have a bake function, so let's put it on. Put it to bake. Put it to match. How long is that going to go for? Need it a wee bit longer. We've got 18 minutes. And I'm kind of going to put the temperature up a wee bit. Okay, but we'll keep, oh, maybe I'll put it back down. Let's do what it says. Let's just do as it says. Okay, so it says in the box, for the glaze, we've got the packet of glaze mix, 100 mils of milk, which is here, 4 tablespoons of sugar. I take it it's supposed to be caster, but I don't have any, so it'll just have to be done with it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a tablespoon of margarine. I just have the olive spread, so that will suffice, I'm sure. And then the packet of glaze. And then it says, mix all the ingredients, bring to a boil to get to the ideal consistency. Okay, bring it to a boil then. This is the glaze. I'm just slowly bringing it to the boil. There's still 3 minutes left in the air fryer, and then we'll check it and see how much more we need to do. Okay, let's see how raw they are. Ooh. Here. Ooh. Clear. They are ready. Expecting a wee bit of shrinkage from this cake, but these foil tubs I bought out of Lakeland, and they're just reusable. I'd only use them in the air fryer. I'm going to put these spare 2 in just to bake them. Take them out if I can. And we'll leave them to cool.
I thought you were going to put it on.
I'll put it on the pudding. Disclaimer, these are not diet friendly. So, don't throw out your out-of-date boxed cake mixes. Make them up, work just fine.